It's my anniversary with menstrual pads today. Let's celebrate that. Today we're getting up close and personal, and I look so tired, but that is my state, and I thought I would rock it today like that. I have had these for the 2 years, safe and sound. I'm gonna link the video where I DIY'd these, and they have been fine, and I have been with them for the past 2 years. But at the end, I know that some people would want to try this out without DIYing it. A company of two sisters called Hi-O have reached me, and they sent me a wet bag. There is a giveaway in that video, but more about that at the end of the video. The pack comes with 6 menstrual pads. Dupe, very sleek, very minimal, and I love that about them. I have been using those as well alongside my DIY'd ones. I really like them, and honestly speaking, if you don't want to go through the hassle of DIYing it, go try these ones. They are available on Amazon, which is great because I know I was very annoyed by the fact that I have to get it from Etsy, and Etsy wasn't available in my country. Get these from Amazon to try it out. I'm going to link down below the Hi-O Amazon reusable pads I have if you're interested to buy them. Now it's all with what I've learned. Reusable pad. What encouraged me to use them was that I knew from my grandmother that they used to use fabric instead of the pads we have today. The idea of transforming, because I thought that's the norm, but that wasn't the norm for so long. It would leak if you leave it longer than it should, and if you buy the one that does not suit you. Menstrual pads usually come, the reusable ones, in regular flow, heavy flow, different sizes, longer, smaller, leaner, some with winged, and you have to figure out and try several ones. It is a trial and error. You're transitioning something that you've been used to. It will take some trial and error until you find the best ones for you. I usually change mine every 4 hours, but some people, they change it every 2 hours. So it will all depend on you. Because I started with only 5, I was washing them on a daily basis over the sink. I use a detergent that is an antibacterial one, and I would wash it with room temperature water basically. For 2 years, none of my pads have stains on them, and yeah. I take with me my wet bag, and I would have 2 or 3 spare in the pocket outside, and inside I leave it empty. Put the stained one inside the main pocket and get a clean one and wear it. If I have the privilege of being in a private bathroom, meaning that it's a bathroom that is not public sinks around each other, I would wash mine right away, and I used to do that so that I prevented staining. But some people, if you don't have that privilege, it's totally okay. Periods don't have smell. The smell is basically the chemical reaction that happens between the liquid that touches the pad, making it turn into gel. This is what makes it stink and makes it smell bad. My skin irritation, because I used to get irritation in that area so much, stopped. The moment I use cough pads, it stopped. Always keep 1 or 2 in every place you are at. In my work drawer, in case if it happens at work, I have an emergency pad. I always have one also with me in my bag. I use Clue period tracking application. It helps me know when I am going to get my period, and that makes me have my emergency pad with me in the bag. Cleaning for me starts sink when the period comes if I'm in a private bathroom. If not, I keep them in my wet bag. Right away when I go back home, I wash them with the antibacterial detergent. When my period is completely done, I ended it. It's over. I put it all in the washing machine in order to have them like nicely scented. You have to check with the companies you get. Certain fabrics, they don't work with fabric softener. I would say it's a great investment. Every now and then you could buy one. The pack I have from Hi-O is beautiful, and it stood up with me for so long now alongside my DIY'd ones. Try to look for a pack that has niter pads, heavy flow pad, medium flow, and panty liner. Some people don't like menstrual pads and they like more the cup. I am not a cup person. I have never been into inserting something to get the period blood in. I'm not into it. Maybe one day I'll be, but if you don't like pads, that's the next alternative. Some companies as well sell the underwear, like you have inserts and you insert them in the underwear every now and then. That's also an option, but I've never liked that. So you could actually make your own as well from things lying around the house. Nothing beats that, in my opinion. It's not going to be like the pads you buy from shops, for sure. The transition is something really needed, not only because of the environmental aspect, which is very holy grailed and very much from my side supported, but also most importantly because of you. Health comes first. This area is very sensitive and messing around that area is a big no-no for me. Comment down below if you use reusable pads and you want to give advice to someone who's starting it out. So the giveaway, this is in celebration of 70,000 plus subscribers. I thought that I want to give away something meaningful, and I have been using reusable pads for 2 years now. So the Hi-O reusable pad set that I have and I use is going to have a duplicate, and I'm going to give it to someone. The beautiful sisters who made this, shout out to them. They are very durable, very minimal in design. It's everything I like and live for. But this giveaway is only available for the people in the US, but I promise you my next giveaway is going to be worldwide. The pack is going to contain the wet bag I have, same wet bag I have, and 6 reusable pads like these. For someone who would want to try out reusable pads, I never liked sponsored or giveaway videos, but honestly speaking, if it is of a cause like this, then I'm all up into that. And in order to enter the giveaway and win, all you've got to do is the following. Let me tell you. So you have to, number one, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow all my social media accounts, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Share one of your favorite videos of me on your social media platform. You have to get one of your friends to subscribe to my channel, to comment your name down below in the comment section. If I found your name commented by more than one friend, that means you get higher possibility to win the giveaway. The winner is going to be announced in my next video, which is going to be soon. Question of the day, which is something I wish to ask people for. What do you guys think of making a podcast? If you think or you support the idea of me making one, let me know in the comment section down below. I would seriously appreciate it and love it, and maybe that would encourage me to work on one, where I share my thoughts and insights about things and reach out to you even more. Have a happy life, booze, meaningful, that's the most important, and less is more. See you later in my next video. Bye bye.